Welcome back, guys. So in this video, we're going to be talking about CSS box model. CSS box model. It is very important for you to know your box model, because if you don't, it's going to affect your styling in the future. So let's get right into it. So the first thing we're going to do here is create our file, another file, because let's use the same one we used here. Yeah, let's use this one. So what are the box model? We have I'm going to use a comment to write this. So the box model, we have the padding, and we have the margin. So we have the padding and the margin. Good. Padding and margin. So let's see how these are being used. So what is padding? Padding is the spacing between the box and the content inside the box. So example is this div that we made, this box that we made, and this content. Currently there is no padding. That's why it's lapping the area. So this is the box, the space between the box and the content. So let's add more content to this. I'm going to add p tag and add lorem. So the content is going to be more lorem. Good. Good. We have that. So you can see this. This is the content. So let's add padding to see the effect of the padding. As we said, it's the space between the box and the content inside of it. So let's start this box adding padding. So this is the box and this is. So I'm going to add the padding here. Padding. Let's say we want to add padding 30 pixel. You can see automatically moved away from the box line. So that the padding here, 30 pixel here, 30 pixel here, and 30 pixel here. So this is the top side, this is the right, this is the bottom, and this is the left. So in case you don't want to add padding all around the box, all you need to do is specify the side you want to add padding to. So if I want to do padding right, or padding left, or padding top, or padding bottom, I can actually select that. So let's say we want to do padding top alone. We don't want to do the rest of the sides. So I'm going to comment this one out because we don't want it to reflect. So I'm going to do 50 pixel just for so this is the top. This is it. It's moved automatically away from the walls. If I comment this out, now, let's go back and see that. So there's no padding here, but when we comment this, there is padding here. So you can decide the side you want to add. You can just add padding left 20 pixel. Good. So it has moved away from this 20 pixel away. That's your padding. Good. Now let's add our margin. So the margin is the space between an element and the walls around it. So an element from the walls around it. So if I want this box to be away from this side, all I need to do is add my margin to it. So to just move away from it. So let's add margin. Margin 50 pixel. So this is 50 pixel. Good. So you can see the margin working. So it's the space between an element, which is this element, this box and element, from the walls around it. The walls around it. This is the right side, the top side, right, the left side, the top side, the right side, and the bottom side. So the walls, those are the walls around it, or between an element from another element. So you can actually move it away from another one if you had two boxes. So you add your margin. You can actually specify the side you want to add to. So you can add either margin, you want to move it away from the left hand side, you could just do margin left alone, 40 pixel. So let's comment this out and see the left margin. Good. So this is for the left margin, margin left 40 pixel. So reflected only on the left hand side. So this is how to add this. You can specify the bottom or the top. And also you can actually add everything in a go. Same thing goes to padding. If I want to do the outside, I'll just do margin. Then the first pixel selector will be for the top. Second will be for the right. Third will be for the bottom. And the fourth will be for the left. So good. So this is, you can add them straight away like this instead of writing margin top, margin bottom, margin left, right. Just you can just add them straight away. So this is for the top, right, bottom, and left. So it just moved round. Top, right, bottom, and left. The same thing goes with the padding. You can do the same thing there. So this is basically the box model. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in our next one.